In the vibrant kingdom of Glimmerdale, where rainbows stretched endlessly across the skies and the rivers shimmered with hues of gold and silver, a long-lost treasure was whispered about, the rainbow gem. It was said that the gem could grant one wish to whoever proved themselves worthy. The tale began with a prophecy carved into the great crystal in the center of the kingdom. When the skies grow dim and colors fade, a brave heart must seek the Rainbow Glade. Through trials of wit, strength, and might, the gem will shine for the worthy knight. For years, no one dared to search for the gem, fearing the trials that lay ahead. But when the once brilliant rainbows of Glimmerdale began to fade, two best friends, Leo the lion cub and Mia the hummingbird, decided to embark on the quest. Leo, with his golden fur and boundless courage, carried a small satchel filled with supplies. Mia, fast and clever, flitted around him, her wings a blur of dazzling colors. They set out at dawn, their first destination marked on an ancient map, the Caves of Echoing Whispers. The caves were dark and eerie, their walls glinting with faint traces of crystal. As they ventured deeper, voices echoed around them. "Who enters my domain?" a deep voice boomed. A massive stone gargoyle emerged, its eyes glowing with an otherworldly light. "To pass, solve my riddle," it said. The riddle appeared carved into the wall. "I am always ahead, never behind. I can be measured, but I cannot be seen." "What am I?" Mia thought quickly and whispered, "It's time." Leo confidently answered, "Time." The gargoyle nodded and stepped aside, revealing a passage bathed in golden light. They continued their journey, now heading to the forest of shifting shadows. The forest was alive, its trees constantly changing position, casting confusing shadows. A signpost stood at the entrance, reading, "Only those who follow the light of truth may find the way." Mia noticed that one shadow, a glowing, silvery outline, moved differently from the rest. "Follow that shadow," she chirped. Leo and Mia pursued the glowing shadow, dodging twisting vines and shifting paths. At last, they emerged from the forest, where a shimmering archway marked the entrance to their final challenge, the Rainbow Glade. The Rainbow Glade was breathtaking. The grass sparkled like diamonds, and the air was filled with the scent of blooming flowers. In the center stood the rainbow gem, glowing faintly. Guarding it was a majestic phoenix with feathers that shimmered in every color of the rainbow. "To claim the gem, you must prove your worth," the phoenix said. "Answer this, what makes a hero?" Leo and Mia looked at each other. They thought of their journey, the challenges they faced, the teamwork they relied on, and their desire to restore Glimmerdale. "A hero is someone who acts with courage and kindness to help others," Leo said. "And who never gives up, no matter how hard the path becomes," Mia added. The phoenix spread its wings, and the rainbow gem glowed brightly. "You have answered wisely. The gem is yours." Leo and Mia approached the gem, its light enveloping them. Together, they made their wish. "We wish for Glimmerdale's colors to return, so that everyone can live in joy and harmony." The gem pulsed with light, sending a cascade of rainbow colors across the kingdom. The skies brightened, and the rivers shimmered anew. The people of Glimmerdale cheered as their land was restored. Leo and Mia returned as heroes, their bonds stronger than ever. The rainbow gem, its power spent, turned into a simple crystal, a reminder of their bravery. From that day forward, the tale of Leo and Mia's adventure was told throughout Glimmerdale, inspiring others to face challenges with courage and kindness. And though the rainbow gem's magic was gone, its spirit lived on in the hearts of those who believed in the power of teamwork and selflessness.